opportunity. Let's first understand more about Dali clothing.
Yeah, absolutely. So our company, Dali was established in 1996. What we have today is a world-class garment design and manufacturing company. So also here we have a different type of clothing. Here we have women's wear, men's wear. We also have some clothing for children, some sportswear, down jackets. We have almost everything here. So today we are inviting you guys to join us to have a look to what is inside. It's about 8,000 square meters of clothing production and manufacturing. So the Dali clothing, everything was started to expand. So it was around 2008, back in 2008, then it was not just one person. We started to have